Today I will introduce to you the Edit Data and Bluetooth transmission function of Lonsdor K518 PRO. Click Edit Data to open the backup data and edit it per your needs. Now it is the Bluetooth transmission function. Click Settings, Bluetooth Settings. Turn on Bluetooth. Open the phone and search for K518 PRO. Click Pair to start the connection. Select the file and click Share to start transferring to your phone. It is also possible to transfer mobile phone files to K518 PRO via Bluetooth. This video ends here. See you next time.